California having the number of orders as much as 2,000, followed by New York, Texas, Pennsylvania, Washington, Illinois, Ohio, Florida, Michigan, and North Carolina. These are the top 10 states with the maximum number of orders. Here we have seen the analysis of the products in the superstore. We have seen here the number of orders by category in Power BI. Here we have seen that the office supplies category is in most demand, as it is the 60.29% of all the orders from 2014 to 2017 in the superstore, followed by furniture, which is 21.2%, and technology, which is 18.48% of the total number of orders. Next, we have seen the number of orders in office supplies, and we can see the subcategories of the office supplies, which is 9 subcategories, including binders, storage, art, paper, appliances, fasteners, envelopes, labels, and supplies, from which binders are in most demand. Along with paper, there is not much difference in binders and papers. Binders are most useful as the offices have a lot of documents and folders, so they need to keep them safe in the binders in order to organize them. Next, we have seen the top 10 products which are in maximum demand, which answered our second question, and the product names in the maximum demand are staples, staple envelope, easy staple paper, staples in miscellaneous colors, every non-stick binders, Storex DuraPro binders, GBC premium transparent covers with diagonal line pattern, staple remover, Wilson Jones turn tags binder tool for ring binders, and storage. And we can easily see here that most of the products are in binders category. Next, we have seen the number of orders by states, again in Power BI, but in better visuals. And then we saw the forecast of profit in 2018, and here we could see the profit would be 791.23 on 30th December 2018, whereas in 2017 it was 231. So this was my presentation on data manipulation techniques, assignment number 1, which included my data, the analysis of my data, which I have done using Python, and I have used charts and visualizations in order to answer the questions I had about the data. And further, I have shown you the forecast of the profit in 2018, which will be 791.23 on December 30th, 2018. Thank you so much for being a part in this presentation.